Hey, what's up everyone? We're going to take you on a tour. We're here at Sierra Vista in the southeast side of town. We're entering the main entrance area with a formal dining room. As you can see, there's also a formal living area. So as you walk in, you have another dining area, open kitchen. And you go over here, you have an open living room. We're going to go into the primary room. There's a covered patio here, which is nice. And look how massive the primary bedroom is. Double sink, tub and shower, very generous size walk-in closet. And now we're going to make our way towards the other side. And again, this is in the southeast side of Bakersfield. And it's Sierra Vista. The builder's offering 4.5% towards builder incentive, so you can use that for many different options. So this is one room, another room, and these rooms are really good size. Now we'll make our way out over here, and this is a half bath with another bedroom that is an office currently. All right, now we're going to take a look at the other model home, and this is a Spanish style. And you walk in here, you got your open foyer, laundry area to the garage. Open living room, very good size. Got an island there as well. I love these natural cabinets. It's got the leathered quartz. Formal dining room. Now you go to this side of the home and you'll have the primary bedroom. Again, very good sized bedroom. Double sink, toilet, walk-in closet. Love that Spanish tile on the floor. Now we're going to go to the other side of the home here and take a look at what's over on the other side. Love the open concept, great private foyer. Now we got bedroom 1, very good size as well. These are 2 twin beds, full bathroom. And then we're going to make our way over here, another bedroom with a walk-in closet. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be available. They do have 30 homes left, and the builder's offering 4.5% towards closing costs. So let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, hopefully you enjoyed this quick little tour of Sierra Vista.